everyone, this is Neha Gupta, and in today's session, we will talk about multiple intelligence theory and its implications in classroom. Theory of multiple intelligence was proposed by Howard Gardner in 1983 at Harvard Graduate School of Education. This is one of the most prominent theories on intelligence. It suggests that individuals have different types of intelligences. In today's scenario, we talk about student-centered education, innovative learning methods, constructivism, etc. Then how can we forget to talk about multiple intelligence theory? It has a great importance in educational field and of course in classrooms too. First of all, let's understand what is exactly multiple intelligence theory. Howard Gardner in his theory suggests that there are 9 types of intelligences. Means a person can possesses 9 types of intelligences, but due to individual differences, different persons can perform better in different intelligences. So let's understand it. Now we will discuss these 9 types of intelligences one by one. Let's start. Number 1. Spatial intelligence. Spatial means space, and spatial intelligence is a capability to understand space and direction. Students having spatial intelligence can perform good in craft work or making maps, charts, etc. They can also perform better in navigation because navigation is related to directions. They can have a good career in professions which require knowledge of space and direction. Now, the next one is natural intelligence. It is a capability of recognizing and understanding nature like plants, animals, soil, weather, climate, mountains, etc. Students having natural intelligence can easily relate to their nature, their surroundings. They can have love for animals, plants, etc. They can have awareness about their environment. They can make career in the fields like agriculture, forest department, weather forecasting, etc. Third one is linguistic intelligence. As its name suggests, linguistic means language. Linguistic intelligence is an ability or capability to use and perform excellent language. Students having linguistic intelligence can perform good in writing, reading, word games, vocabulary, etc. In future, they can choose linguistic areas also. Next one is logical mathematical intelligence. Logical and mathematical intelligence is an ability to use numbers, logics, and reasoning. Students having this capability can perform good in logical reasoning, maths, numbers, etc. They can go in the fields which are based on numbers and reasoning like accounting, scientific research, banking, etc. Next one is bodily kinesthetic intelligence. Bodily kinesthetic intelligence is a capability of movements and controlling body parts. Students possessing this type of intelligence have a good sense of using their body movements and motor skills. They can perform good in physical actions like gymming, yoga, dance, etc. They can make their career in fields where physical activity is required more. Next one is musical intelligence. Friends, musical intelligence is an ability to understand and produce music. Students having this type of intelligence are generally good in composing musics, lyrics, and rhythms. They can make their career in music or something which is based on the same. Now let's move on another one. Next one is interpersonal intelligence. Interpersonal means others. Interpersonal intelligence is an ability by which a person can relate to others and can understand emotion and feelings of others. Students having this type of intelligence can perform better in groups. They can establish good communication In future, they can choose social career or social platforms. Next one is intrapersonal intelligence. Intrapersonal means self. So intrapersonal intelligence is a capability of understanding self, and it is an ability to analyze one's own thoughts and feelings. Generally, introvert personalities have intrapersonal intelligence. Students having this type of intelligence are strong in self interpretation and can better understand their strength and weakness. Now, the last one is existential intelligence. Existential intelligence is a capability to understand the world and others. It is a level of curiosity by which a person can understand the world and various spiritual and philosophical norms. Students having this type of intelligence generally perceive the life in another way, like cosmic perspective. They can make their career in philosophy. They can become a thinker, philosopher, etc. Now, after having a discussion on these 9 types of intelligence, we should discuss now what are their implications in classroom. Friends, after understanding the multiple intelligence theory, you can easily apply this theory in your classroom. So, how can you apply the same? This theory talks about 9 types of intelligences. It means it indicates the diversity of classroom in terms of abilities or intelligences. We have many students in our class and they can have different types of intelligences. So being teacher, we are supposed to use a variety of teaching methods to support or address their diverse needs. Like you can use writing, speaking, role play, activity work, projects, etc. This is important to enrich every student's intelligence. You can give them a chance to discover their potential. A teacher having insight of multiple intelligence theory can better understand that there is no need to force students to perform good in all fields or in a particular field or subject. They should learn all subjects, no doubt, it's fine. But at the same time, it is also important to give them space and opportunity so that they can discover their innate abilities. So, friends, finally, the conclusion is that we can improve our teaching strategy and classroom settings to address multiple intelligences of our students. And after understanding multiple intelligence theory, we can easily apply the same with our students. Students can have various types of intelligences, and we should try to establish a connect between students' learning and our teaching strategy. I hope this video will enable you to understand and use multiple intelligence in classroom. Thanks for watching and listening. Have a nice day.